Story here in the United States, the data drops right now. Let's begin with GDP and a sizable upside surprise and an upward revision to 1.2% for the first quarter. The previous read was 0.7. The median estimate was 0.9. Personal consumption doing some lifting, coming in at 0.6%. The survey 0.4. The previous reading 0.3. So GDP coming in with an upside surprise. Durable goods coming in a little bit better than expected as well. Negative 0.7% is the print. Negative 1.5% was the survey. And the previous month with a big upward revision as well. So durable goods, okay, compared to the estimates. Capital goods coming in dead flat, 0%. The median estimate 0.5, the previous reading 0.5. But I think the headline right now is that quite a sizable upward revision to the first quarter growth, David.
Yeah, that's certainly my reaction. But now let's bring back Keith Parker from Barclays. He's still with us, and we're also being joined now by Ira Jersey. He's Bloomberg Intelligence U.S. rate strategist. He's down in Princeton where his office is. So Ira, I want to start with you. I agree with Jonathan. My initial reaction here is the big story out of here is the jump in the first quarter GDP, because everybody thought it would go up some from that 0.7%, but not all the way up to 1.2%. What does that tell us?
Yeah, sure, and a large part of that seems to be from the consumer continuing to spend during the first quarter, and not only that, but you dig deeper into the data and you look at some of the inflation numbers. The inflation numbers were a little bit higher than we expected as well. So all of these things, I think, put the Fed squarely on the table to hike in June, and obviously there's going to be a lot of talk about not only will they hike, but also will they continue to talk about reducing the size of their portfolio after quantitative easing.
Ira, did the doves in the shape of Jim Bullard and Little Brainerd, did they just get shot down big time by this data?
Well, I think it makes their case a little bit less palatable to a lot of the other members, the more moderate members on the board. Yeah.
Okay.